Okay, the parts that come in the kit. We've got the strut, ball with washers and nut, ball with the bracket that goes onto the body. There's 3 pot rivets and 2 tech screws. I think you can use the tech screws in replace of the pot rivets for the bracket. It doesn't actually say in the instructions. I'm probably going to go with the pot rivets. Handle. It's got 2 little clips on the end there. One on top, one on the bottom. You just got to get down with the screwdriver, just pop them down, and they'll just pop off down, and that way you can just slide it out. See that slides into those little holes there. To remove this cover, if you've got one of these tools, it's perfect. Just get into the corner, pop down, and you can see just pops the Christmas tree plug out. Just work your way around. Don't pull in the middle because you end up breaking your cardboard. Try and find where the Christmas tree plugs are located. Just get it in there and pop it. Once you get the trim off, you can give it a clean before you take the plastic off, because you want to get down in here. These should pull out. 3, 4, I've got 5 of them out, and 3 got stuck in the door. It's usually because the card's gone rotten, they pull straight out. With these Christmas tree plugs, if you've got the correct tool, try and get them out without losing them, and you can put them back into the cardboard. If the cardboard's not too bad, you can buy these at Ripco or Auto One or any motor store, a replacement if you need to. But you'll find that the cardboard is, the problem is it's got wet at some stage, or moisture's got into it and it's deteriorated. This is the trees, they stay in there. Little Christmas tree plugs. And you can see these ones, it's got moisture in there at some stage. That's why they've pulled through. I'll try and put this one back into place. Just goes in that hole and it slides across like so. I don't expect that to stay there. It'll come out. You can see the water damage in the cardboard. Somewhere on the line it's got wet. Alright, so it's put the bracket on, and to come 23mm across from there, 100mm, 31mm down to there. I found it easier to put a pop rivet on this side and a tech screw on that side, simply because I couldn't get the drill in there, not without taking the door off. Once that's on, you put the strut on under the door, measure 20mm back from the end of the strut, so the strut was here, measure 20mm back, drill the hole, put the ball in, come through to the top. You can get the, I don't know if you can see it in there, the nut and the washer on there, tighten it up, put the strut on, and now the door will stay open. I'll clean all this dust off before I put it all back together, but it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.